Hey guys, I'm Aidan of Aidan Jones Photography, and today I'm taking you behind the scenes on one of my photo shoots. Today I'll be working with Jill Bryant. Do you want to tell me a little bit about yourself?
Hello, my name's Jill. I'm a plus size model with Models UK, and Aidan's here to take pictures of me. You can find me on Instagram, and my tag is JillDoB on Instagram.
Thank you, Jill. So today we're going to be using the Elinchrom BX500RI lights. We've got two of those. We're going to start off just using one light to get us going, and then maybe adding another one for fill. We'll see how the shoot goes. What exactly are the photos going to be used for?
They'll be used for my profile in Models UK and for me to build a portfolio to send out to possible clients.
And if anybody's interested what other equipment we're using, we're going to be using the 5D Mark IV with an 85mm 1.2 lens. We're going to be shooting at 1.2. And one of the problems we've already found out in the test shots is 1.2 and studio heads don't really work too well together. So I'm going to be using a neutral density filter to bring down the light entering the lens so that I'm still able to use the flash heads and get that 1.2 out of focus blur in the background.
Make me look pretty.
Okay, let's get going. Right, there we are. That's the shoot all done. I hope you had fun today, Jill.
I did, I had loads of fun.
If you like the video and you like the photos, please subscribe to the channel. That would be an absolutely massive help. And be sure to follow Jill on Instagram. What's your link again?
It's JillDoB.
And I'll put that in the description box down below. Check her out, give her a follow. Absolutely amazing at what she does. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video.